Okay guys, good to have you here again today, and today's video we are going to be looking at how to initialize your project as a Git repository. This project is brought to you by TechGlobe. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. So if you let me zoom in a little. If you come here, you are going to see this. There is nowhere under here where you're going to see master or any branch. All right, because this project has not been initialized as a Git repository. So the first step in doing that, just going ahead and the first step to initializing this repository as a Git repo, let me zoom out a little, is to come here. First, I'm going to open up the terminal on VS Code. To do that, to open up the terminal, I'm going to come to terminal here, new terminal. Okay, this is how to do it here on VS Code. You can as well use your keyboard to open a new terminal. What you need to do, you hold Control and click your back tick. That's the key immediately before the escape key. So either you use here terminal, new terminal, or you come and use the keyboard. So either way you open a new terminal. So I'm just going to use the keyboard, hold Control key and press the back tick. So it's going to open a new terminal for me on this project. All right, so like I was saying, there's nowhere here where you have the master branch. So this repo, if I come here and try to do git add, it's going to show me a bunch of stores, right? That's to tell me that this has not been initialized as a Git repository. There are files in the project, but it has not been initialized. So to do that, I'll come here and do git init. I'll run git init. If I hit enter, you see that initializing empty Git repository in this folder. All right, .git. So if at least you see a .git, okay, yeah, it should be under this VS Code. Yeah. So after the first step, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and I'll come down here to source control. All right, if you could see here, it said the detected Git repository are potentially or saved as folder owned by someone other than the current user. So I'm just going to come here and click manage on save repository. So pick a repository to mark as safe and open. So I'm going to use this current repository I'm on. So if I click on it, you see, okay, you see there are changes. All of the files have you. All right, so what this means is that these are all committed files. I'll need to commit them. So here is prompting me to enter a commit message. Remember, we are still initializing a repo. All right, and there is something that happened after we did that just now. You can see here, I showed you earlier that here there was no master branch or whatever branch here, but you can see the changes now. You have a master branch here. All right, so I'll just go ahead and commit these changes with the message initialize as Git repository. Initialize as Git repository. So after that, I'll do commit. Do you want to stage changes to be? There are no stages. Would you like to stage all your changes? I'll click on yes. All right. So if you see now, all of this after some moment, all of this will be committed. Okay. So you see all of these have been committed and there's a master here. So if you do git add now, please, if you do git add, so it's going to work. And if you do git status, it tell you that nothing to commit on branch master. All right, so that is how you can initialize your project as a Git repository on VS Code. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.